Top of the morning. Thursday, May 8th. Market finna open in 7 minutes. We had news at 8:30 this morning. And right now I'm looking at my 8:30 play to see if it's gonna play out. Looking to see if we're gonna take these highs, right? Mm-hmm. 8:30 took out two 15-minute sell side liquidity before 8 o'clock. Made a little shift here. Closed back above on the 1. Came back to the 1 minute gap and order block. One minute gap and order block. And midnight. It's a lot of reason to take this. With the target to the high. 5 minutes till open. We'll see what happens. See if she want to give it to me or see if she want to take these lows out. This will be what we're looking for right here. Order block, gap entry, 20-point stop, 68-point target. Keep in mind, it doesn't have to happen. It doesn't have to work out. Four minutes to open, man. I'm chilling. Go get my coffee. I'll be back at open. Rob, what you said, man? I got y'all on the phone today. I ain't got you on the computer. All right, NQ. NQ took running lows. All indices taking running lows so far. It's a large opening range gap. Opening range gap. Center of the opening range gap. See what they give us. See why I'm went into a 15-minute bearish gap. Why I'm turned around. Really had a large range day yesterday, so in ICT fashion. The pre-market session after a large range day is typically not the best conditions to trade in. And things like that, that's what make women better traders than men. Because a man I hear something like that, and ego will get in the way. Like, oh yeah, it might not be the best condition, but I'll find something. I'm gonna get me some money. I'll find me a setup, which might be true. Very well might be true, but if it's not the best conditions, and we treating this as a business, you want to trade under the best conditions, especially when you don't have to trade every day. You choose what days you want to trade. You don't have to trade every day just because you're a day trader. You can look at the economic calendar, go to Forex Factory, check what days have red folders, what days have news that you journal that are your typically best days. You can only trade those days. If those days only happen 3 times a month, then you got 3 good days where you know you're gonna find your setup. You know there's a good possibility you're gonna catch your trade. You can let the other days go. Like we different. One thing I do like Palantir and Nvidia. Ooh, look at Palantir. Palantir. Nvidia got to fill the gap. Nvidia was doing good. It was almost at 120. Palantir 115, looking good. All right, back to futures. Back to futures. What we do? Hmm. Look at all this running we did overnight. Retracing some of that is only natural. Man. Mm, mm, mm. Open range gap. Relative equal highs right here. Equal highs up here. One more day in the week, and we coming real close to being an inside week. I started the week thinking previous week low would be the draw. Trump came talking about a deal. After hours, Tuesday popped up. Yesterday, Trump came talking about a surprise deal happening. Announcement today. We ran up all night. Now we retracing. If you following the news, you use the news for trading. Trump announcement. Trump announcement. Now we're waiting on Trump announcement. That's the news. Now the technicals. Mm, 30-minute order block with the gap. 30-minute OB at 104. This right here is not bullish. So I'm still looking down right now. It's accumulation. It could shift, but gotta show me. Until 116, baby. Let's go. Change the position. Ooh, let's go. Let's go, Until. Let's go. Let's go. 123%. Let's go. Let's go. What we doing over there? Let me get back to it. Shit. Let's go. Yeah, 135. Yeah, 135, and I'm at 145. So up on the position. Just waiting to 10 o'clock, man. Let this little price action, open range price action do what it do. Until do your thing, baby. Do your thing. Don't turn around. Do your thing. We can go. But when we go for we turn around, we already at the turnaround spot. I just need her to keep going. Is that how she gonna go? Should I close out now? Got one more day on my call. Let's give it about 30 more minutes. See what she do. See what she at. Sell side. Sell side. Ain't coming. Ooh, look how she playing. Look how she playing. How she playing. You came one tick from taking that out. Playing. I know people waiting to get out right here. They came one tick. That right there make your stomach hurt. That make your stomach hurt right there. Woo, one tick away from your target. That's why you gotta get out early. Target right here. Get out right here. Get out at the body just in case. Just so they don't play with you. Gotta remember we in Trump market. We in Trump market, man. We traders in Wonderland. Hey, that's nasty. That's nasty. Man, get on people they target, man. they still ain't paid them people. That's wow, man. That's the same thing they did to me when I was looking for 199. And they came to 195 and turned around on me. That's wow. We got equal highs up here. Now we got equal lows right here. It's a wild week, man. But it's a wild way to end the week. It started out great. Monday started out great. Yesterday was nice. Tuesday was no news. But this right here, this mess right here, this ain't it. Bruh, come on, man. One tick. K Lamar, bro. I don't know if you my people. I don't know. But boy, one tick. Look how they did them people, man. That's dirty. That's dirty. I'm laughing because I know how I feel, but I know the hurt. I know the hurt, and it's making me laugh. I can't cry about it, but they did that to me last week. I was in a trade for over an hour. They came 5 points away from my target and turned around. And then turned around and got it about 30 minutes later. I say, man. Mm-hmm. But they did come to the became the CEO opening range. Overnight opening range gap. That's all that's necessary. We don't have to hit the bottom of it. CE. Yeah. Well, if you put your quadrant, let's see. Half of the quadrant. Gap at half. We're gonna invert this gap. 3 minutes. Three minutes. For a clear direction. For the intraday traders. We know what the high time frame say. We need a clear direction for the intraday people. What I'm looking for? 15 minutes. Get this big ass gray box out nowhere. It's time to trade. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock to 12. Which direction with a 2-arrow candle? Push. I really feel like they're gonna come back and pay. They're gonna come back and get that, but they don't have to. There's some T at the lows on the 5 minutes. There's some T at the lows on the 5 minute. Mm-hmm. 25 seconds. It's gonna get real. Oh man, they got you with that shit. Psh, boy, you feel my pain, bro. You feel my pain. Boy, that was brutal. And then I saw the shift when they faked me out like they was gonna go short, and then I saw the shift to continue back up, but by that point, bro, I was mentally drained. I was just drained. I didn't even want to take another trade. 10 o'clock, baby. Palantir, man, keep pushing for me. Pivot, keep pushing. Back to futures. All right, 5-minute order block. I mean, that was kind of a given. 5-minute OB. One-hour gap. 1-hour order block. 4 hour. Equal highs. Don't let the one leave you. This right here don't look clean. I don't like this. I know you can do it, but I don't. I wasn't really trying to walk light this week, man, because they ain't doing it how I like to see them do it. We past 2-3 days. And in a self-humbling way, I just take it as shit. Maybe they'll do it how I like it next week. I ain't got to push my edge this week. I don't have to. I think we got CPI next week. Shit. CPI should be clean. Shifting on the one. Shift on the one. Not on the 5. First 5-minute shift after 10, I'll trust that. But I don't want them to come into the gap when they shift. Shift on the 5 and stay below these wicks. I can trust that. Still got one gap. One untapped 15-minute gap below. What you doing on the one? What you doing? Shift with a gap. And bring that back. Move it over. Can we trust the bullet? Bullet been hitting, but shift with a gap on the one. I don't like this. Pattern still pushing, baby. But YM been leading all week on the up move. If you're a silver bullet trader, that's your trade. I won't mind missing it if it works. I don't mind at all. Because if it don't work, I'm going to be telling myself, you know it was a 15-minute gap right there. You're going to take an entry right here with a 15-minute gap right here. Come on, bro, you know better. That's what I tell myself. Shit. You know better. Textbook, right? I gotta put this up for myself sometimes. Patience, discipline, textbook. In my textbook, this 15-minute gap this close to the entry. I don't like it. Yes, got one too. Gotta keep an eye on it. But I got options over here, man. Gotta watch my money. Excuse me. Gotta watch my money. Got an option play over here. Give an alert at my target. I want 118. Give me 118. I'm gonna start jumping and dancing. Little gap right here. Give me 118. I'm gonna start dancing. You give me 130, boy. Give me 130. It's all good in the hood. Okay, back to futures. Back to futures, man. What's going on? 10:07. What we gonna do? Got a bearish gap. Another bearish gap. Oh, they BPR that thing. Dang. BPR that thing. Told you I don't like this. It's not ideal. First presented fair value gap after 9:30. This one. Look it up, man. He should have had it up early. Thought about it too late. First prevented fair value gap. ICT finna come on in a minute. See the gap? See the target? Want a dose? It'll pop up on Twitter in a minute. First presented fair value gap. Ran in it. Consequent encroachment. Come on, Pele. That's exactly why I'm a futures trader and a few options on the side, man. I get too greedy in options. If Futures, I see the target, I take my money, or I put a stop below. Options, to the moon. To the moon, baby. I don't know where my discipline going option. See the setup, I know the setup, but when it come time to take profit, man, I just be seeing more. I be seeing more, man. Oh yeah, Trump supposed to be talking at 10, man. What's going on? I got CNBC on the side. They ain't said nothing but. Anybody heard from Trump? Has the president tapped in yet? So sell side liquidity. Took all the sell stock that we know should have been taken after 10 o'clock. Another silver bullet to the downside, but after taking this, I've seen it work before. I've seen it work before. I have seen it work before. We still got this 15-minute gap untapped. Never been touched. Liquidity right here. 2014. I've seen it work before. Mm-hmm. All right, man. Get your head in the game, man. Get your head in the game, man. Trying to get off the sidelines, man. Time to come off the bench. It's time to come off the bench. Another bullet. After taking out a major liquidity level. Trust her or not. You want to trust her or not? You a silver bullet trader or not? I'm a silver bullet believer. Not exactly a silver bullet trader. I ain't gonna take it every time I see it. But I can see him coming up to this gap just to come down to this 15-minute gap. I can see it. I can also see a BPR in this gap and going and taking some of these highs, especially these equal highs. If we turn around and go up, I'm looking at us either going to this 15-minute gap and turning back around or come up to midnight. I'm definitely eyeing these equal highs right here. And at the same time, if they don't want to do that, after all that running from last night, because Trump say we got this secret deal finna come out. If he don't drop that secret deal, what was this for? Come back and get it. Sell side and Asia low rise. What if my computer freeze? Be still with that. What's going on? Tripping? It's something up. Okay. Oh, man, they tweaking. All right. Definitely looking like a classic sell model on the 5. Just did give me what I wanted to see to enter. And that's okay. That's all right, man. You don't want me to party today? That's cool, man. I'm gonna get my party on. You don't want me to party today? That's cool. Cool. You ain't want to come into the gap for me? That's cool. Cool. $10. What is 2-hour counter looking like? Put my on the 2-hour, we are bullish. On the 2-hour, we expanded up, close below, down, close candle. A 50% retrace would be 970, and we would still be bullish. And that's what I would get. Looky. Looky. Silver bullet. 5 minutes, still bearish though. CNBC says President Trump expected to make an announcement on UK trade. The undertone of that statement is crazy, man. It's about to happen. It's about to get wild. Here comes the volatility. I don't know, beginning of the year, man. Trump and the boys, Trump and the gang, boy, I know they made money on puts. Everybody that got his cell phone number, I know they make money on puts. You seen like ever since April Liberation and that post where he said bye bye bye, he been doing everything he can to try to keep his market up. Cause I feel like we should have came down lower than what we came down yesterday off of Powell. But Trump came on TV right before Powell and started talking his talk. And then went on social media and kept talking. Now he coming out with this surprise deal from Ukraine. But he about to tell us whatever he feel like telling us. True or false. Knowing the market gonna react off of it. I trade technical science. I trade the charts. Technical science. No indicators. But news trump charts. I always believe that. News trumps charts. Charts is one thing, but news will change all that for a moment. For a moment, a day, a week, a month, a year. News will change what we want to see on the chart. But that don't mean we can't trade it. We can still trade it. We can still find setups in it. Even with Trump in the office in front of a television screen, we still find some setups. And that ain't the ego talking, that's the scholar. Discipline, patience, textbook play. Let's go, Palantir. Let's go. I believe in you. I believe in you. Do what it do. I believe in you. 118. 118. I believe in you. Join the Discord to learn the setup. How I got into this Palantir play. I do not trade before earnings. Know that. Click the link in the description. Join the Discord. Come chat with me, man. Let's talk about this market. Because I eat, sleep, breathe, and the other thing when we come down to this market. This is life. This is what it is. Have until 117, baby. One more dollar, baby. One more dollar, I might consider getting out. Get me to 118, I might consider getting out. Because I'm a greedy options trader. 17, baby. Let's go, baby. I believe in you. I believe in you. Dow, as always, this week. First one to shift on the 5 minute. Dow gonna make me start trading, huh? You're gonna turn me into a Dow trader, man. Q is with the nonsense, man. She been on the nonsense all week. 2 weeks. Helen Till, baby, do your thing, girl. 50 more cent. 50 more cent. Do your thing, baby. Do your thing. Do your thing. $165 gain for the day. Let's go, Helen Till, baby. Let's go. Per contract. Per contract, baby. Let's go. What we doing? What we doing, man? What is we doing? We gonna close about a 5 or what? 90 seconds. Look at YM and ES just outside doing the Lord's work, man. I'm over here trading the sucker. You a sucker. Sucker over here. Look at ES, man. And close above, came back to my entry, man. Doing the Lord's work, man. Look at ES. YM pushing, she outside. She ain't need no retrace. She just go on gas. And this little sucker right here. He was a sucker. I need to find a way to make it easier for me to switch over from NQ to ES on Top Step X. Seamless. I need to be able to do that with the click of a button. Click of a button. What, this thing ain't gonna close above? Oh, they so. Man, I can't do nothing but laugh, boy. For real, man. ain't finna do no guessing. I ain't on that junk, man. Come on, man. I ain't finna do it kinda or it kinda. It almost. No, man. Do my stuff, man. Follow, man. I might be done. They playing, man. I'm gonna give a little secret, man. I'm gonna give a little inside tip. Since I ain't got too many viewers right now, I ain't worried about it spreading too much. Little inside tip, man. Only the Discord know I'm my trading bro. Nah, I ain't gonna give it, man. Join the Discord, man. Come chop it up with me. Join the Discord, man. I got a little inside tip about this right here. Where we at? 10:36 in the morning. All right, make a mark right here. For anybody that come to the Discord, man, say, man, what you was talking about at that 10:36 mark? I got you. I got you. All right, YM came back to retest. This sucker right here came back to this order block. Sucker. What if NQ be the one to take the low since she's so weak? What if NQ is the one to take the low since she's the weakest link? SMT at the lows and then go up. I can see that. I can see that. I also can see it bouncing right here. I can see that. One thing about me, and I know it's probably a lot of people. The market, it's a mental game. Once they show me they playing, it's just like any person in the street, man. You show me you playing, like you ain't serious. I'm like, all right, bro, I ain't dealing with you, bro. You playing, bro. I'm trying to be serious. You playing. Everybody closing above, you playing. You don't want to play nice? And if anybody been here for a while, I want to know in the comments, man. When I be bringing the bros on and I be on Zoom with the bros, man, is that noise or is that helpful? I ain't gonna bring them on right now because they talking one of the bros through a loss. He trying to talk him out of spiraling right now. Having a little therapy session over there right now, so I'm gonna keep that private. But when that's over, I might bring the bros on because I'm probably not gonna take a trade until they show me something clean that I like. They showed me something right here, but it just I ain't on that today. Palantir, don't pull back. Just go to the moon. Go straight to the moon, man. Look at that. I'm waiting on my alert. Oh shit. Deja vu. Waiting on your alert. I was up 200%, man. Come on, man. One direction till lunch. 11. Get back up there. Until. Don't let them hold you back. Don't let them hold you back. Damn, look at this BPR. Gotta talk to myself. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. You got a BPR staring you in your face and you trying to go up. Staring you in the face and you trying to go up. Since I am a little greedy in options, let's do this. Center line, 119.70. You give me that right there. I'm out. Give me this today, I'm out. Might cry about this tomorrow, but let's see. Wait on my alert to get hit, man. Had until be sweet. Had until be sweet, because ANQ just she don't want me to play today. She don't want me to play today. I'm cool. What we at? 8 days into the month. We gonna get this bag. You're not gonna stop me from getting this bag. We're gonna get to this bag. But it did not have to be today. Nathaniel, I was looking for a buy, but the market is going down. I was looking at the shift. If you know about ICT, smart money, I was looking at the shift on the 5 minute on the other two indices. But I wanted all of them to be aligned. And NQ didn't do it. I could have took it down right here. Lower time frame gave me a setup to take it down, but I'm just working off the 5 right now. Something I can trust. Cause I'm not really a scalper, bro. I like catching a leg and holding for the target. I'm not a 10, 20, 25 point scalper. Mm-hmm. Anything you join the Discord, bro. Everything totally free, bro. You can chop it up in the Discord. Back test and all that, especially if you trade ICT. Don't chop it up with me, man. Ain't nothing about 7, 8 people in there. If you knew, a lot of people knew. If you experienced, man, chop it up. Market weak though. Yes, sir. Yeah, the market weak. And like I said in the beginning, man, in true ICT fashion, after this long range, especially after this long range overnight, shouldn't even be looking for a trade in the AM session. Take the morning off. Wait till lunch. Wait till after 11:30. That's what he said on the Saturday space. Just let the morning run go. Wait till the lunch hour start. 11:30. Then look for a setup. That normally work out for me. When the market be nasty in the AM, I just wait till lunch. And wait for a setup on the 5 minute. Okay, we're back above 200. Back above 200% on the Palantir play. Still waiting for it to hit 118. 45 cents away. I definitely think I can get 300% out of this play though. Looking lower, bro. I already know you looking lower, bro. I heard you on there. That's why I'm keeping my keeping my ideas light. Circle of Success. That's my dog right there, man. For real. In this trading world, everybody else get off Zoom, man. Me and my dog, man, we're gonna lock in and we're gonna walk this shit like a dog. And bro looking down. I already see all the reasons why he looking down. It ain't in there. It should be on the let's see, it's probably not in the link probably ain't in the description. I don't know if you want to screenshot. Let me see. I know it's on my channel though. Definitely. I don't know if you want to screenshot. Let me see. I know it's on my channel though. Our candle bearers. Yeah, bro. The Discord link should be in the description. Double check. Yes, in there. Right after join my free Discord. All right. What's it expired? All right, then I gotta get the other. Give me a second. Oh, bro, you in FW? Yeah, man, hit me up on Telegram, bro. Oh, bad. Let me work on this. I know with Discord they give you a link that expires after 7 days, and then they got a link that doesn't expire. I know I double checked that this is the link that doesn't expire, but could be wrong. Damn, let me check Discord, man. Discord gotta get their act together, man. Gotta get y'all act together, man. Quit giving me links that expire. It's the sense of it. Trump talking. Anyone still looking for a setup? Trump talking. Protect your neck. Sound like a lot of lies to me, but sound like a lot of lies to me. Sound like he doing a lot of lying to me. The market feels the same way. The market obviously feels the same way. Doing a lot of lying. Mm-hmm. All indices have taken out the low. Nope. That's some teeth. Not all of them. I just joined. I just changed the link. I just got in touch with linked up with bro in Telegram, but I just changed the link on the screen. Let's see, did I put the new one? I put the new one in the chat. Yes, sir, bro. I'm gonna chop it up with you. this? Let me see. Look at that. Should have took it. This was an entry. This was a short. I was looking for it to go long right here. I was looking for it to close above. When they didn't close above, could have shorted this candle. If this, then that. If that, then this. They close above, I'm looking up. They don't close above, looking down. I just didn't take it. Uh-oh, S&T. They all can drop. They all can drop. Everything in line. They ain't want to get in line at the top. Now they in line at the bottom. 10 o'clock, 2-hour gap still showing down. Two-hour counter don't close until lunch, so we can go one way till lunch. You know, ICT spoke on this, and it didn't hit me until Tuesday. I thought about it after Tuesday when the market closed. Like, hey, ICT, this is what he be talking about. If I wasn't on live right now, I would have already said to myself, man, this market ain't showing me what I want to see. It look like she playing. I ain't with the games. I would have walked away. Sure, I'd probably be outside right now, man. Or watching TV on the couch. Waiting until 12 o'clock. Waiting until lunch. Or come back at 11:30 and see what I see. Don't see something I like? All right, they might not be my day. Come back at 1 o'clock. Check the market at 1:30. See what I see. Don't show me what I like, and I know I'm done for the day. ICT said it, man. Being on live, being in front of an audience, it makes you want to do something when there's nothing there. Or to make you want to press the button, even though you know you shouldn't press the button. But nah, man. This ain't no circus. I ain't finna dance just because I got an audience. I ain't finna try to do no tricks just because I'm in front of an audience. I shut this bitch down. Because I'm here to make money, man. It's a business, bro. I ain't here to go YouTube famous. I'm using YouTube so I can back test my own. It's one thing to go on TradeZilla and TradingView and back test the charts, but I back test my own mental using these videos. Like, what was I thinking when price was doing this? That's why I be trying to think out loud. What was I thinking when price was doing this? Why didn't I take that trade? It's a business for me, man. If I don't see what I want, if I don't see what I want to see, I'm in the business of making money, not losing it. I shut this thing down, man. Same as my mentor would do, man. If ICT wanted to go up and the market keep going down, what he gonna say? Hey, man, I'm not interested. I'll come back during lunch. I'm only saying the same thing he would say. Only looking at ES, hindsight a motherfucker. Only looking at ES, I think I said it before. The 5 minutes is obviously in the clear. Yeah, I definitely said it. 5 minutes in the clear sell market. I was waiting till 10. After 10, we either gonna get a shift or we're gonna continue. If this, then that. If that, then this. We either gonna get a shift or continue. On the 5 minute, YM shifted. YM shifted. ES shifted. NQ didn't. Which probably saved me. Hindsight. If I was trading ES and not looking at NQ, I would have been here thinking we finna go. And then at this order block, I would have been thinking it's gonna hold. If I wasn't looking at NQ and knowing that NQ is not in line. So I ain't tripping, man. I missed the trade, but I didn't take the loss. I ain't jump in, I ain't do nothing stupid. Cool. At 4 p.m., I'd rather look at my account and see all zeros and see red. One thing about it, two things for sure, we're going to get this money. We're going to get this money out of the market. My setup going to come. My setup going to happen. And it's going to be clean. But you can't blow your account before it happens. Can't be just forcing shit before it happens. I'm not finna short right here just because the 5 minutes say short. You got to give me a setup, bro. Clear. They ain't even come back to the order block right here. They know what I want. They ain't giving it to me. What should I do? Change my style? Change my style because they ain't giving me what I want? That's an idea. That's something ICT could do. Something I could do. Nah, bro. Show me what I want. It's an implied gap. I think this that ever since he said it, I think this that gray pool that ICT was talking about. Where this area right here ain't nothing but wicks. Except for this little body right here. Wick down, wick down, wick down. Come back into that wick area. I think I just unlocked the gray pool. ICT, man, come check the video, man. Give me a shout out. Hit me up. DM me. Is this the gray pool? Shit. Gotta go back to the video where he explained it. That's that new shiny object that I'm not chasing. Give me my setup. So I'm walking. I'm gone. Give me me. I need to go to the store anyway. 11 o'clock, but if you ain't been here before, shit. I say the same thing about 11 o'clock. I hate being in a trade when 11 o'clock comes, because 11 o'clock is either going to give you your target, which will be downhill for everybody that's bearish, or they're going to give you the retrace. 9 times out of 10, man, 11 o'clock going to give you the retrace that you don't want while you're trying to hold for your target. 50% of that leg. 9:30 to where we at now. Did a drop right here. Coming back 50%. With us not having news tomorrow, to let me down. Gee, I said we ain't have to, but look what we did. Came right to the bottom, tick for tick of that opening range gap. We didn't have to do it, but we did it. YM leading again. No surprise here. No surprise there. Definitely gonna give you a target or give you the retrace. Trump still talking. Allen came back to the OB in the gap. What you gonna do, baby? What you gonna do, baby? Well, it came down tick for tick. That was nice. I'm just waiting on ICT. I'm just waiting on him to come on Twitter and talk his crap, boy. You know he's gonna talk his mess. See that opening range gap? See how we came to the bottom? See how we started the consequent encroachment? He'll do a whole video on this right here. I can see it. 5-minute order blocks been holding down price all morning. Does it shift or does it continue? 5-minute OB has been holding down price all morning. Order blocks. Order blocks. Order blocks. Order blocks. As soon as we shift, it'll be a breaker. Move that. 40 seconds. Mr. President, get off of the television screen, please. Are they gonna shift the 10 o'clock hour? Oh, 10 o'clock hour going, what? They ain't going, what? Got a little secret why I keep this up. 11 o'clock, get a retrace. What they drawing to? That was the first place they drawing to. How significant is this wick to be so close to 10 o'clock open as a draw liquidity? Man, ICT, baby. They tapped it. 10 o'clock open tap. That draw, man. One minute, give us a setup to take that. Close above here, stop below the low. Close above here, 26. Stop at 78. 48 points. I got Trump talking.
Very big country. We have a lot of beef. We're a very big country, so it'll be great.
They say we got a lot.
Yes.
We got a lot of beef.
Yes.
Let's talk about American beef really quickly, and it can't be understated. I'm Brooke Rollins, by the way, how important this deal is and what this means to American farmers and ranchers. Specific to the beef, this is going to exponentially increase our beef exports. And to be very clear, American beef is the safest, the best quality, and the crown jewel of American agriculture for the world. So I think a really important part of this deal isn't just
All
the
time frames of land.
tariffs from 19 to 0, which for our row croppers is a huge deal, but also for beef. And as we move forward,
All time frames of land.
Our trade team is looking at all of the meats, all of the produce, really all of our agriculture exports. And I don't know if there's an industry that has been treated more unfairly and has suffered more than our agriculture industry.
Last time YM took off. Let's see if this time NQ take over.
And I look forward to moving that out across the country. The president is
But keep in mind, we're not out of the woods yet. We're not out of the woods yet. But they should push right through that, baby. That's what they should do. Trump on TV, so they probably won't retrace. He talking his stuff. Trump doing his thing.
They very much want to make a deal. We'll be dealing with them. We are dealing with them currently. So that'll cover pretty much the rest of it. But this was separate because of Brexit in particular. This was a separate deal. It always seems so natural. The media would say that this seemed to be like, why did this happen 25 years? Why didn't it happen a long time ago? And it was always amazing to me. Somebody would say, hey, we got to make
order block
a deal. But
next to the order block.
The Prime Minister did a fantastic job. His representatives are total professionals and they got along well, and it just seemed to work. And I think one of the reasons it did is because we blew up the whole system. If we would have just been dealing with you separately or, country by country, we blew up the whole system. It was very fair to the very unfair to the United States. And I think because of that, this worked out so nicely. And I'm honored that it was the first deal. Please. Well, why don't you go to that, please?
Thanks, so. I'm with the London Times. So this is a great day for James Bond because now Aston Martins will be available to American clients. Will it be even better by extending it to film? You've talked about big tariff on films that we'd like to better be illegal.
Well, we're going to have a discussion on that separately. And as you know, we're putting tariffs on that particular film, so the movie makers. And we're going to be doing some tariffs to get them because a lot of them have left.
Let the whole move go.
They all live here. The money comes from here.
Wait till lunch
here, but they make them
and see if you get something
so
clean.
Do something to bring them back, maybe to a large extent. But James Bond has nothing to worry about that. I can tell you.
There you go.
And Sean Connery was a friend of mine. Sean Connery was responsible for my getting zoning in Aberdeen. He said, let the bloody bloke build his golf courses. I was like 4 years into the process and it was impossible in Aberdeen.
Palantir, baby, she back. She back. She back. She back, baby. Bounced out that 5-minute order block, man. Come on, man. She back, baby. I got something to be excited about. NQ ain't doing it. Matter of fact, with my NVIDIA, I need NVIDIA at 120, man. But Palantir is back. Should be back above 200%. Should be back above 200%. Let's see. 175, man. They better update. They better update. Palantir back. What we doing?
I always got along very well with President Xi. That relationship was greatly disturbed by COVID when COVID came in. But we get along very well now. We had a relationship with a lot of people, a lot of countries.
Everything shift, all time frames align, man. They ain't give me the retest I wanted. I almost jigged it right here.
Very friendly meeting. They look forward
Cause I figured
doing it.
with Trump talking.
China, as you know, has a tremendous.
Sure wish he'd get on TV, man. I'm not a news trader, man.
But I think it's going to be very good for both countries. I would like to see China open. You know, one of the big things here is, and nobody would.
Look at why I'm outside per usual.
Very much close to trade.
Per usual.
And now it's open. And a lot of
Don't turn me to a YM trader, man.
very happy about that because there's so much.
YM do what she do, like she supposed to do it.
And then you compete in a
This little girl over here.
When you're not allowed to go there. China would be the number one example of that. That's very
This little girl, yeah.
And that didn't work out. But we made a great deal with China. They had about $50 billion worth of our food products. And it was a great deal, doing very well for our farmers. And then when Biden came in, as usual, nothing happened. You know, he didn't enforce it. And it got less and less and less. And ultimately, you know, destroyed a great deal. That was a great deal. But no, I think that.
Oh man, Pally, come on, Pally.
I think they have a lot to gain.
Come on,
I
Pally.
think they have far more to gain than we do in a sense. But
Push that thing up out of there.
I think we'll have a really, very good week. I might, yeah, sure, depending on what Scott says.
Push them up out of there, man.
Scott is
I
doing
don't care about none of this stuff no more.
Howard's doing certain countries. I mean, I wish I had like.
Push them up out of there.
Then we could do them all at one time. But there will be a time. We'll do a number of them. And then there'll be a time. I think I can say this, Scott and Howard, where we're just going to say.
Push them up out of there.
We understand what they want. Where we're just going to make the deal. In other words,
There we
don't
go.
need the country involved because we've already had it.
Say that word again, Trump. Say deal one more time. They did something. Say deal again.
That this particular country is going to pay a 25% tariff or 30% or 50%.
Don't say tariff, say deal.
Or whatever it may be. This was, I think we should
Come
explain
on,
it.
Trumpy. Say
One of the
deal.
things we did here that we'll rarely do.
Come on,
Some
Trumpy.
cars, we took it from 25 to 10.
Push.
Because Rolls-Royce
Push for the president.
I wouldn't even ask
Push. Look at YM, man. YM doing the Lord's work, man. YM is doing the Lord's work.
Monster car companies that makes millions of cars. They make a
Push.
number of cars that are super luxury, and that includes
New 5-minute candle.
So we have a
New 5-minute candle. You know how I hate them.
in order to help that.
Let me talk.
That's really, handmade stuff.
New 5-minute candle. Push, baby. Push, baby. Palantir.
But that's different than
Let's go. I need to put Palantir and a video on the same screen.
Still be doing in our country. They can build.
That's what I need.
We have many factories, car plants.
I already got Microsoft over
being
there.
built or
All right.
going to be built
Cool.
very soon.
Cool.
I think we can say
Cool.
that we'll be close to $10 trillion.
Give me 118, man. Let's show them I know what I'm talking about, baby.
And we're actually at that number
Come on,
now.
Pally.
If you add up some of
NQ
what's
at
happening,
midnight. What we gonna do at midnight, man? Are we
some
gonna
going
shift
up and
today?
down, there are plants going up and down.
Is all this a wick?
They're doing it because of the tariffs. And
Expansion,
tariffs have always
retrace,
been
expansion.
I never understood. I used to sit back.
I can see
As
it.
you know, China paid hundreds of
I can see it.
millions of dollars
Take us to previous week high, man.
But until then,
Take us to previous week high, man.
you know, they really did a big number on us from the standpoint of trade.
Talk that talk, Trump.
We are.
Let me sell one.
tariffs now.
Let me sell one at midnight.
We have now.
Let me sell one at midnight.
10 trillion. If you look at the past
Sell one.
administration, we're talking about over, essentially 2 months because we could say.
Come on, Trump. Talk that
It
talk,
took a
baby.
little while to get the office.
Talk that talk, baby.
It took a little while to get.
I want
done,
one.
But once we
Just
started,
give it to me in one
they were
candle.
at close to $10 trillion.
Give it to me in one candle.
You've had years where the United States wouldn't do that in a whole.
As long as I sat back and waited patiently, man, reward the patient trader, baby.
We did 10 trillion.
Reward the patient trader.
So it's amazing what's happening. We're getting calls from, and that has to do with chips.
Look at this boy over here doing the Lord's work, man. They done took out the house already, man.
We used to make chips. We had a monopoly.
Come on, dog. Keep pushing. We need you, girl.
Over a period of years because
We need you to keep pushing so these girls over here can do what you're doing. We need you to keep pushing so these girls can do what you're doing. Follow the cheerleader.
That's fine. If you want to move it to Taiwan, that's good.
We stuck at midnight.
If you want to sell back into the United States, we're going to put a
Gee
50% or 100% tariff on. They would have never left.
We could have an SMT at the highs. YM already took out the highs.
It's too bad. But now they're coming back.
Grandma, she trying. She trying her best. Grandma, she trying. This boy over here, this supposed to be the track star.
In one case,
She broke her ankle or something.
500 million, same as Apple.
Come on, man. Get through midnight, man.
And we're going to have a large
Get through midnight, man.
substantial share of the
Let's go.
chip-making market.
Let's go.
You said that this weekend is going to be a friendly visit, but do you expect that it will just be a
Come on,
formality?
Trump. Say deal one more time.
Or are they going to get into substantive negotiations?
I believe it's substantive, yes.
Talk that talk, Trump.
Say, yes, we're having a meeting
Talk
today.
that talk, Trump.
So what are we going to do? Talk about meeting again? I think it's going to be substantive.
Talk that talk. Ooh, y'all heard that bell? Ah, y'all heard that bell? 118 Palantir, baby. 118 on Palantir, baby. Let's go, man. Let's go. Ooh, get through midnight, baby. Get through midnight, baby. Let's go, man. Let's go. We out here. We out here. We out here. Run it. Ooh, run it. Run it. Look how they did that, though. Run it. Negative 27 is 422.
Look, China was making over a trillion, 1.1 trillion in my opinion.
Negative 27 on ES is, we'll say 5750.
I think it was 1.1 trillion.
And let's keep an eye on the old girl who might do it first. The track star.
That's a good thing, not a bad thing. But we're going to make
The newest track star.
I'd like to say they can do better.
YM. Negative 27 is 41,806. That's what I like to see. I like to see the failed targets. I would like to see the failed targets.
I think it would be great for friendship. I expect a lot of people think I'm a militant guy.
I would like to see the failed targets. This right here is liquidity. That is a possible exit right there. That is definitely a possible exit.
Open up and let our businesses go into China, because when you talk about a closed country, that's a really closed country, and I think it would be great if it was open.
This pullback ain't what I want to see. Coming back to midnight. Hold up, midnight. Hold up. She's stumbling. She falling. Hold her up, midnight. Hold her up. Hold her up, midnight. Come on, midnight. Hold her up, baby. Let me check my money. Let me check on my money. 190%, man. We can do better than this, man. I know we can do better than this. I know we can do better than this, man.
Is that a template for these future trade deals?
No.
We're going to keep it here.
No, that's a low number.
190%. All right, midnight, man. Hold up, baby. Hold her up, baby. She trying to fall. She trying to fall. Hold her up, baby. Hold her up, baby. We still in this thing. Previous week, high me.
The template of
Previous week, high me.
is probably the lowest.
What stalled it, man? Why we stalling? We took out a high right here. We still ain't took out a high. Oh, we got the equal highs. Oh, calm down, calm down, calm down. We got equal highs right here. 5-minute gap right here. 15-minute BPR. No, is it? Possible 15-minute BPR. Get that out the way. Let's get that out the way. We got a 5-minute gap on the right side right here. Take me to the target, baby. Take me to the target.
I had a question about the UK deal today. I heard there was talk that part of the agreement would depend on whether the UK would respect free speech and freedom of religion. The UK is really interested in that. Talked about that earlier this year. Is there any assurance?
Give it to me, baby. Palantir, give it to me, baby. I need Palantir at 130. Ooh. Ooh, Palantir hit 130. I ain't had 1,000% in a little minute, man. I had to stay away from options. I'm greedier than a mug on options, man. I got issues I need to take care of on options. I be greedy. I got 200%. I'm still looking for another 100. Man, I got issues over there. I ain't talking about nothing, man. Just talk that good stuff, man. Talk that good stuff. Talk that good stuff for me. We got them equal highs right here. Relative equal highs right here. 226, 229. They hit the order block at 204, which is also the NWAR, but we're above midnight. We tapped the 5-minute cap. The 5-minute cap got a job to do. Let's take out these highs. And then we need to get these for the greedy people. For the greedies. Let's go and take the top off. Go and take the top off for the greedy people. Uh-oh. Trump off TV. We done? Trump off TV. Are we done? It's 11:30. What they gonna do, man? You might as well go and get that. New week opening gap. Entry covered, but I want the target. Entry covered, but I want the target. The whole target. Like the whole target. Like hit previous week high and blast through it to 357. Like that type target. That's what I want. Is that too greedy? Am I asking too much? Am I asking for too much for 357? Let's see. Let's check. 357, 4-hour gap. Nah, man, you ain't asking for too much. That's possible. That ain't asking for too much. That is definitely possible. Came back, tapped that 4-hour order block, and we was gone.
in the past haven't wanted to see that. So,
All right, man. I had to take a phone call, man. We right back at this thing, man. I'm going for 357, man. It's a little greedy target. It ain't got to get hit, but it's a greedy target. I think it's possible. 4-hour gap above us. Shifting on the 5 all time frames. Would have been nice if they came back and picked me up where I wanted to enter. Would have been nice, but President Trump was talking, so I had a feeling we were just gonna keep on chugging along. Had to just find something I can trust with a grain of mustard seed. The faith of a mustard seed, and I took it. I took it, and we in it, and we got a target, and we covered.
Yeah, no, it is. And as you said at the outset, this is an important conference for us. It's the second annual conference focused on the RIA client base, which for Goldman Sachs is increasingly strategic.
Got in with 3 micros on my funded account, my PA account. 1 micro left. Trying to at least get these equal highs. At the least, get these equal highs.
Economic activity, economic growth, what are our forecasts, what are we hearing from clients, what are we hearing from corporations.
But Trump is off TV, the Trump pump. The Trump pump momentum is dying down. Trump momentum dying down, but technical science say we should take out those equal highs at least at 226. That's what that's the ground I'm standing on right now. 20 more points. 20 more points, baby. Technical science up in this thing, man. Technical science up in this thing, man. Boom. Target hit. Target filled, man. Target filled, man. Target filled. Let's go and do what I want you to do. Do what I want you to do for making me wait all day. You know why this thing won't line up, man? Erase this thing, man. Come on. Target filled. Relative equal highs from the 5-minute shift down here. She didn't want to pick me up where I wanted to enter. Didn't close above this one right here, which would have been nice. That would have been nice, but they did it nasty. They closed up under. I just had a feeling with Trump on TV, they are just going to run. So I had to jig this candle. 3 micros. Take 2 off at midnight. 1 micro still going. I'm being greedy. We hit the target already. I see more targets. I see this. And then I see this. And then I see this. What is that called? I'm having fun right now because I finally caught this trade. I almost shut it down for the day. I almost said, forget them. But I did say, if I wasn't on live, I'd wait till the lunch session and look for a trade. I would have came back at 11:30 right here, like, nasty. Some of them. But we in it. We doing it. Let's do it. We in it. Let's go. Let's do it. Oh, man, we doing good, too. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. 350, man. 350. 357, man. Let's do it. That is not greed. That is technical science. That is not greed. This is technical science from the 1-hour gap to the 4-hour gap. That is technical science. Give me my target. I say, give me. I say, give me. Is what I say. I say, give me my target. Give me my target. Give me my target, dog. I don't need no pullback right here. Let me raise my stop. Dang, I don't need no pullback right here, man. I don't need no pullback right here, man. I know the rules. New 15-minute candle in 2 minutes. Just give it to me. I can't take no pullback. I ain't taking no pullback. I'm choking her right now. Call the low. I'm choking her. I do not want her to come below previous week low. She just tapped it. I'll let you tap it. But now I gotta raise my stop. Close above previous week high, come back and tap it. Keep going, baby. 25 seconds, new 15-minute candle. New 15-minute candle, please be sweet. That's all I say. New 15-minute candle, come out the gate and just run 50 points. Is that greed? I don't think so. Look at Palantir, man. Look at Palantir, man. Let's go. Come on, man. New 15-minute candle. 1 second. Let's do it. Bum. Let's do it. Stop is at. I'm finna raise my stop. 271. 271. I ain't trying to, I ain't trying to lose too much more than that, dog. 271, dog. I ain't trying to lose too much more than that, man. That's about all I'm gonna give you. That's about all I got for you. Cause at this point, it's like, yeah, we can go up though. Yeah, we can go up though. But the rules say after we take out a 15-minute high, we can retrace. After we take out a 15-minute high, we can retrace. The retrace is possible. Oh, man, that felt good, man. Shit, that felt good. That felt good. I almost shut this thing down for the day. I thought they were going to play in my face again. Yeah, they gave us the money, man. Dang. I don't even think I took too much heat on this. Man, I could have went. Here go that greed. I damn sure could have went heavier right here. But I say three micros for the PA today, man. I followed my rules. I did my thing. I came, I saw, I conquered. I did that. Patience, baby. Oh, whoa. Let's hold on now. We still got money over here. Still got money on the line. Palantir, baby. And I got one more day. It expires tomorrow, but I can't take no retrace right now. 266%, baby. 266% and running. Let's get that snapshot. Get that snapshot, man. 266.92%. 270. Let's do it. Palantir, man. Give me what I said earlier. I said I'd get out at 169, but I lied. I'm gonna raise my stop if we get what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna raise my stop. All right, let's do some counting. Let's do some evaluating. Bitcoin just jumped above 100,000. That's nice. I'm gonna raise my stop and lock in my 200%. That's what I'm gonna do on this Palantir play. Raise my stop, lock in my 200%. I ain't going below that. That's what we're gonna do. Damn, I should have let it ride, man. I think I need to call a friend. Like deal or no deal, man. Let's see if my homegirl still holding. Or if she even took the trade. She probably ain't even take the trade. See if my dog took the trade. Come on, man. Time is precious right now. Quit playing. Time is precious. Ooh, push. Ooh, push it. Push it now. Push. Come on and push. Pushy now. 357. Getting out at 350 wouldn't be a bad idea if you in it. Cause you know they'll play in your face. 357 ain't even an even number. It'll get it. But where they gonna play in your face at? 320 institutional levels. 320, 340, 350 is where I see them playing in your face. If you're trying to get 357. Stop at previous week low. If anyone did follow the advice of a just old regular dude who's not a financial advisor, past performance does not guarantee future results. But if you did follow the advice, she tapped previous week high. We ain't trying to let it come no lower. Stop at previous week high. Go make a sandwich, man. Let it do what it do. You don't have to sit here and watch it. Let it do what it do. Man, today was a good day. I almost talked myself into shutting down the stream. They ain't give me what I wanted when I wanted it. Acting like a spoiled child. Because they ain't give me what I wanted when I wanted it. Let's go back to review. I wanted the shift right here. Because Trump was supposed to start talking at 10. Trump ain't started talking until almost 11 o'clock. And then we got the shift right here. From 2072. They ain't give us no intro. Let's see the one. I think they did do something at the one, but I ain't take it. Right in my mouth. Came up here, gave an auto block. I was waiting to see if they were going to come in this gap. She ain't do it. And then I wanted her to come to the auto block. She ain't do it. They ain't want to give it to me how I wanted it, but I knew the target. I knew my trigger. I knew my target. Didn't like my entry. But we got the money. We got the money. And that's what it's all about. That's what the game is all about. Leaving here green. That was a nice leg right there, man. And we caught this. Let me stop going so low. Let me stop right up. And we caught this. We caught this, man. Look at the first gap. ICT ain't said nothing yet. I'm surprised. He ain't talking trash right now. Like, smart money concepts hitting. They is hitting. We out. We out. They don't want to hold above previous week high. We out. Don't be graded. Palantir. Oh shit. Over here talking and shit. I ain't pull my stuff. All right, you better tighten up, boy. Stop. Put a stop right there. Put a stop right. Yep. All right. We in. Got my stop placed on my option trade. We at 274%. Know what that mean? New snapshot. New screenshot. New screenshot with the 274. And we pushing. What we doing on the index? What we doing on the index? Look at why I am doing what I wanted to do. What's that, a daily? Weekly? We did it. That is what we've been looking for about 2 weeks now, all last week, for YM to come to this weekly volume imbalance. They fell short last week, finally did it. Hit the target, hit the weekly target over there, so weekly target hit, Friday might be sloppy. Weekly target on ES, we still looking for 57.53. Weekly target on NQ, we still looking for 340. Well, we can hit that today. We can hit all this today. But I'm out. I got mine. As my mentor would say, we got the lion's share of the move. Save the rest for the hyenas. We got the lion's share of the meat. We killed the meat. We sat back. We watched it drink at the water hole. She got real nice, and we caught her leaving the water hole. Caught that sucker. Got the lion's share of the meat. Save the rest for the hyenas, man. We cleaned the bones. See right here, we cleaned the bones. We is done. I'm done. Are you a hyena? You might want the rest. I'm just talking my shit right now, man. I feel good. I came, I saw, I conquered. The 8:30 play. Had to wait till after 11. And I'm so, oh man, hindsight. My dog came in early. I heard him on zone early. My dog was going short. He was going short. I saw all the valid reasons for him to go short, but I was looking up. If I'd have been in this, if I'd have caught any of this, I probably still would have been looking for this. I'd have been mindful of everything that's going on as far as bearish PD arrays, but I would have been looking for the target. Like, I'm not a scalper. I look for targets. I would have been in the trade and I would have said to myself, man, here's 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock is either going to give us a target or give us a retrace. This share here would have pissed me off, stopped me out, and I would have probably missed all of this because I would have had to shift my whole mind frame from looking down to looking up. And that's not always easy for your brain, for the human brain, speaking for everybody. So I'm glad I didn't take the short. I'm glad I wasn't looking short. I know I saw the short. But after catching the real move for the day, in my opinion, so far, ooh, Palantir, baby. Palantir, baby. You messing up my speed. Man, I'm glad I ain't go short, man, because I ain't have to switch my mind frame. My mind was already thinking up. If they weren't going to give me what I wanted to see, I just wasn't going to take a trade. So I'm glad I wasn't short. My mind was looking up. I got it. I'm cool. In one PA. This PO here, the computer sleep, man. Wake up. I got 2 PAs and an eval that missed the play. Two PAs and an eval. Y'all ain't get to eat today. Yeah, it's lunchtime, man. I'm shutting it down, man. That's it for right now. That's it for right now. Today was a good day. Appreciate everybody that showed up. All 5 of y'all. I appreciate y'all, man. Keep tuning in, man. Keep tuning in. Next week I have better sound quality and probably better video quality. I plan on getting a mic and a new camera so I can continue this journey. Tap in with me next week. I don't know. I'll probably come in tomorrow just to kick it, but I don't know. If I come back tomorrow, I'm taking it light. 5 minute only. 5 minute is king. That's it for the day, man. Holla.